Think so. Low key.
Another contract.
Low key. Low key.
Bounce back tomorrow.
I don't know. Where are we at? Am I live? Am I live on YouTube? You guys see me? You guys hear me?
Get on my YouTube on my TV here.
I like that. I like that. Man said, watch me on YouTube TV. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Come on. Give me that 5-minute fucking algo fucking dump. Give me the algo dump. Give me the algo dump. Give us the algo dump. Literally just trim me at 4. You guys heard the notification. Let's go. I'm fucking nasty when it comes to this SPX shit, yo. Fucking nasty. Fucking nasty.
You're on YouTube. You're not muted.
I know. Y'all need to hear how nasty I fucking am. Every fucking day. Money.
It's also delayed like 30 seconds on YouTube, just so you know.
Let's fucking go.
So if you're calling like SPX on YouTube, you gotta know there's a 30-second delay.
Well, I call it in a community as well where there is no delay, so people better pay attention.
I'm just saying, like, people are watching on YouTube.
All right.
You just gotta know that.
Let's go, man. Oh, I'm fucking eating. Yo, I've been actually trading out of my mind when it comes to SPX at the end of the day. And we're going into that gap, though. So, ladies and gentlemen, hold fucking tight. Yep, we're going to the gap, though. Can they hear you? I don't know. Chat, can you guys hear? Falcon's on the call. We got Sam on the call. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh shit, let's probably send out the YouTube live link. Let me send out the link. Talk.
Hello.
It says the mic is moving, but I know they definitely can't. Let me adjust this. Filters, properties. That's what I gotta do. Desktop audio.
How would they be able to hear me?
Because I'm at the desktop audio. Now talk. Talk.
Check, mic check. Can you hear me?
Yep, they can hear you now. Cool. Let's fucking go! Oh my god, I'm fucking nasty. Literally one of the best fucking SPX traders to ever do this shit. Can they hear you? I don't know. Chat, can you guys hear?
Dude, this is so delayed on YouTube.
It's perfectly fine.
Like a minute delayed.
That's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine, dude. You don't want to delay? Join the fucking community. ZeusTrades.com.
Yeah. Hella delayed. It's just barely playing the desktop audio. Let me get back.
I'm at the desktop audio. Alright. It's posted. It should be going on.
Very delayed. Where did those run to?
Where are they running? Still got 2 contracts left. Gotta put stops at break even.
They're 5 apiece. Over 100%.
Check, mic check. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Just barely got that mic check on YouTube.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn your guys' audio up to maximum volume. Now everybody should be able to hear you guys. Let me go ahead and tweet this out.
I'm gonna have to turn this stream off.
Yeah, look.
It's just distracting. Oh, I should have held that, man. That was a good call. It's a good play.
I know. You're welcome. Because I don't fucking miss. Don't miss the gap fill. Fucking everything. Just
680 now.
Flawless. flawless. I hate how Tasty trades doesn't tell me fucking percentage gains. But hey,
No, that was a play I needed to fucking
I
recover my
know
shit.
you said full give you a full port. There you go. There's the full port. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. All
I
right.
didn't know we were doing it
I'm
right
about to
there and
close
then.
one more contract here. If we come down to this volume balance, it'll probably be worth about $7. Get ready to trim. Get ready to trim. And then we're gonna leave one more fucking contract ready to. Oh my goodness, this is my man Ian. I've been waiting to hear.
Ooh, brutal sell. What a dump.
How was your New Year's?
Phenomenal. It was a good New Year's, kind of chill. Spent a little too much money, but hey, it is what it is.
Hey, listen, we're all gonna make it back.
We're doing it right now as we speak.
That's it. That's it. So, Damien, listen. Been doing deals. Is it all possible? I mean, throughout the past year, we've.
Ooh, what a day. Just keeps going. I don't know why I saw that coming. Everything's getting hammered. Brutal day.
Give me 1 second, people. Talking to wealth management right
I
now.
wanted to know if he would.
Sam, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Watch it just pump back the other way.
All right. Yeah, it rejected on the 60-minute equilibrium block. All right, at least I captured some of it. Great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
69.79 there, that level.
I went on the call side for a sec and made it easy, $20, whatever. I'm
Options
pretty
or
sure it took off. Yeah, option. Fuck, now I want to go, but whatever. That's good. We caught some of it. Still finish green. It's good. That was just a risky on the time to trend.
Those SPXs printed. I'm pissed. Wish I didn't saw that one so early.
Yeah, don't worry, I sold it early too.
I
I
literally
didn't
would have
cap.
recovered my losses for the day. It's brutal.
Maybe there's a pullback on the downside.
jumping some 69.55s. I don't see this rebounding. There hasn't been a
I mean, with ES, that's like a huge amount of move.
yeah. I don't see a clear displacement back. This would have bounced by now if it wanted to come back up.
Yeah. It's just a pullback on the down.
Yeah, this could come down to like 69, 62. On the 5 minute.
Okay, for my number. I got you saved. I got it saved. I seen it. Perfect. Yes, sir.
Excellent. I'll give you a call later tonight, Damien.
All right, appreciate it. Take care, Ian.
This might be going to previous day
Alrighty,
close.
ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Right now, we are already in puts. Nice beat. Gave me a heart attack. All right, cool. We're in some puts right now. I hope the YouTube stream is clear. Everybody can hear me. We got a couple people in the back as well. We got Falcon, phenomenal analyst in the community. We got Sam, great trader. So yeah, right now we're in some puts. We entered some puts pretty much once this 5-minute equilibrium block formed right here. If you notice right now, I did try to take some puts earlier. We got stopped out perfectly fine. And what did I say? I said, hey, I'm going to make back the money from the puts we lost earlier on Power Hour. And look at us right now. We're up at least, I don't know, because it doesn't tell me percentage gains. Where's contracts work?
I might jump in a little straddle here.
Are you still in them, Falcon?
No, I got out way too early. I got out at like 10%.
Yeah, we're about to be up at least almost 300% once they hit 10. My average fill is
if anybody wanted to play, a straddle, 692 calls, 691 puts, about 43 cents a side.
Yeah, average fill is at 2.6 right now. And honestly, I see us going much lower. I don't think we completed the gap fill yet, but we can actually go check that. Let's take a look.
I got to kind of a pivot point / daily close down there at 69.60.
Yeah, so I still see this going down to 69.32 on SPX. So at least about another $7 more from where we currently are. Gap fill actually gets completed about $15 more down. So we're currently curling back down right now on SPX. We probably are going to push lower here right now. If you're not in, I wouldn't say this isn't a bad spot to get in. This is probably like your last chance, not gonna lie. Like your last chance. And you can literally have a stop loss right here at 679 on ES. So literally, like if the candle pushes up past the last 5-minute candle, then get out. But yeah, if you're not in, not a bad spot. You could risk this, take this down about 7 points, and close out.
I'm in on I'm jumping in on short on ES. Stop loss at 679.
Yep. So right now,
I might get
take a look here.
I get tagged, but I'm in at 977. Risking $100 to go down to
8.4.
previous day close, 69.60s.
So yeah, we're up 223% still on SPX right now at 8.4.
This could wick me out pretty easily. Yeah, wicked me out. Perfectly wicked me out.
Oh, I didn't realize. Well, I think common sense tell you guys sometimes. If I'm typing, you gotta realize SPX moves so fast at the end of the day that if you don't see a put or a call, use some common sense. You gotta realize how fast I have to type SPX sometimes, especially at the end of the day, to the point to where by the time I enter a trade and go type, the trade could have ran. So yeah, sometimes you gotta bear with me and just use common sense. If you see, hey, it's at 2.6, and you look at the calls and the calls are deep in the money and worth $8, and the only other option is, hey, puts for 2.6, you use your common sense. I think it's telling you it's clearly puts.
Right here, this is why I'm saying a strangle. play out. 692 calls, 691 puts.
You got to speak up, man, so the people can hear you. Speak up. Say with your chest.
I said this is why I straddle right here. 692 calls, 691 puts.
Hell yeah.
About
You heard
40
me.
cents a side.
Hell yeah. Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
because it's dancing around this entry right here. So calls are up a little bit, but
Damn, I didn't trim there. We were just up 200 and like 20 something percent, almost 230. Probably even closer to 300 at the low. It is what it is. Still think we go lower here. More room for the gap fill. More room for the gap fill. Zeus, your voice is far away. How about now? Better?
yeah, I've had trouble hearing you on audio before, but
I mean, my mic is kind of far, to be fair. A little far away.
I don't know what kind of a mic do you use.
I got a HyperX something mic. Let me see. Maybe I gotta turn on the volume. Testing. Okay, that's lower. This is
Now you're quieter.
higher. Okay. Volume should be fixed. Maybe.
It might just be the output on YouTube because usually really quiet on YouTube for me as well.
Think I gotta lower the chat. All right. We should be good to go. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah. Puts are printing.
This is looking bear flaggy for sure.
Yeah, seems like another leg down. We might retest the fair value gap, then push lower here, which I personally wouldn't mind because guess what? That just gives you guys another chance to get in. Yo, SPX Power Hour has been doing us like so well lately. You just got to be patient. You wait for the last hour of the day, you're going to find some A+ ass setups, but you got to have the right strategy. And if you don't have the right strategy, you're not going to know what direction to take the trades to. So like yesterday, I explained why we went long. Today, I explained why we went short. Clearly, hey, we're bullish on the daily, but if you go look at SPX or QQQ, there's clearly a gap to get filled. So you got to understand that, hey, you got to look at two different instruments sometimes to really understand what price wants to do. You didn't even have to know that there was a gap fill, but you can also just clearly see if you look at ES here, right? I'm just going to full screen this chart. You clearly look at ES. What do you notice? Price is not expanding. We're starting to curve, right? So price is continuously trying to go up, but notice there's no displacement, right? You're not getting those big, boom, massive candles. Not happening, which is telling you buyers are not here. They're kind of exhausted, you know? Think of it like somebody ran like, I don't know, fucking 3 miles or something, right? They're getting tired, they're exhausted, and you're trying to tell them to run an extra mile, run 4 miles, and they're not used to it. They get tired, you know, they get exhausted, and then boom. That's where sellers come in to step in. Now they're the people that are aggressive. Think of it like a relay racing. You passed off the baton. Now sellers took over. So that's pretty much why we went short. You had the gap. Very simple to understand. I'll take a look. See, SPX, there's a gap right here, right? So pretty much once we broke below this level up here, pretty much signified, hey, we're gonna push lower. You just gotta jump into puts. And then also we flipped the daily candle red on SPX as well, which is giving you more confluence that, hey, price is probably gonna push lower. And if you look at this 5-minute right now, signaling that price is probably going to retrace a little bit here, but we'll see. It's all dependent on this 5-minute candle. If this 5-minute candle does not create a volume imbalance and closes red, beautiful. We probably push down right here, right now. But if it does create a volume imbalance and does close green, we probably will see some type of retracement before pushing lower, which could mean that we potentially retrace for like 20 minutes. And then once the 350 algo kicks into place, price could potentially push back lower. But for now, it's just kind of a waiting game. I think we should be up at least like still 100%. Let me go see. We only got 2 contracts left with a stop loss at break even. So yeah, we're up at least like 100 and something percent. I don't know, 2.6 to 6.6. Yeah, it's definitely like 150 maybe, something like that. My guess. But hey, we're still printing. It's good today with the mic. Perfect, perfect. Y'all sound fine. Perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. 5 minutes. Let's see what the next 5-minute candle wants to do. It does look like we want to push lower here. Time will tell. Patrick, got any input here?
No, I'm just I'm playing this straddle here. So
how does a straddle work for the people in the audience?
So you're buying puts and calls when price is kind of basing around an area of interest. Right now, I mean, we had a big displacement down here, so we don't know if price wants to retrace back up or go down to a lower kind of area of interest.
Mm-hmm.
So you can play both sides. Usually, you want to get the same entry on the puts and calls when it dances around price like this. And then usually, typically, you look for at least a 25% to 50% overall return because one's going to run to most likely 100%, and the other one's probably going to be like a 70 or 80% loss.
Okay.
It's typically a win-win. There has to be a displacement in one direction or the other. If price just dances around there and consolidates till the end of the day, then theta kind of destroys the strap. But most likely we'll see a move back down or back up. Sometimes it can pay bigger. Played a straddle yesterday as well.
Mm-hmm. We might get stopped out. I'm not gonna cap. Might put stops at like 3. There's no point in.
I might look at SPX calls.
I'm gonna stop
I
out.
might be a little late. I might be a little late to the entry.
Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and close the rest of these contracts. Let me see. Hold on, let me go to the 15-second chart. 15-second will tell me whether I close these or not. We just took this liquidity target, so we pretty much need to reject right here, right now. All right, walking stops to 4.0. Stops are hard. Hard stops at 4.0. We literally push back up and make a new high. I'll be stopped out. We just took liquidity on the 15-second time frame, which is enough to pretty much push price back down. It looks like it's kind of working. We pretty much just need to see. Oh, perfect. Looks like it's working. All right, cool. I think, yeah, having a hard stop at 4.0, you're pretty safe. If you're not in puts already, now is also a pretty good time to get in puts. I don't know what strikes to pick, but clearly just pick one strike out the money. So I guess you could buy the 69.40 puts, or
if you don't know,
69.35.
or just go in the money.
Yep.
This late in the day.
Yep. And once those strikes get in the money, just know the intrinsic value kicks in, and now you're fucking printing. You could buy a contract for $200, and those shits could be worth $15. All we need to see is this gap get filled. And I like the fact is that it's chopping right now, so pretty much consolidation. Free game for you guys. Whenever you see the market consolidating, it's likely meaning that the price is going to continue the trend that it's currently in. So as you can see, we're kind of making nothing but lower highs and lower lows right now, and we're also consolidating, which is signaling price is likely going to push lower again. It's just a matter of when this consolidation wants to break out. And it looks like it could be breaking out right now. But yeah, if you're not in puts, kind of gave you like 3 different chances to jump in puts. You should be in puts by now. Literally, that small little wick down, you're already up 25% off of something like that. By now, you're up 35%. Probably been closer to 50. But hey, our puts are still up. I think these are probably like 180%. I don't know. Somewhere around there. JC Trade needs to fix that. Needs to add a button that shows your percentage P and L. Come on, let's push lower here. As late of an entry this is, I hike you still want to jump in.
Yeah, I mean
It's about a
like I
dump.
said,
It's literally about to just flush down.
I would guess downside, but with today's PA,
Well, hey man.
don't know.
Let's see what Roblox is
And just
doing.
the overall trend, you know,
Yep, I
it's
told you.
definitely weak.
Back down we go. Let's go. Pull back and then back down again.
This is textbook strangle territory.
Alrighty, when's this next leg coming? Are we gonna chop around to 350 algo? 350 algo kicks in place in 9 minutes. Almost 8 minutes now. 8 minutes. Be patient for 8 minutes. We're probably just gonna add to more puts, to be honest. And then price dump down, 350 algo, flush more, make a fucking extra $2,000 or something. And yeah. Stake on me tonight. Stake's already on me tonight. Shit. Between Roblox and the SPX puts, yeah. But now if you want some A5 Wagyu steak, we pretty much need to see SPX push a little lower here. Even though that steak is kind of nasty to me, I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not a fan. It's too fatty.
Yeah.
I don't like fat.
I mean, yeah, that's good though. That's where the flavor is.
Nah. The flavor is when it's cooked well done.
Now I know you're on some shit. It's just gotta be
Ah,
medium rare, slathered in butter,
that's how I eat my steak,
garlic.
bro. Well done. Burn that shit.
Might as well just eat jerky.
Yeah, you're damn right. I need it burned. Yeah, we kind of got to find a good banger here today because OPEX, it's not going to be fun tomorrow. Not going to be fun whatsoever. OPEC trading is like finding a diamond in a rough.
Expect the same as today, but probably way more whipsaw.
Yeah. And the thing is with OPEX, it's like there's going to be some names to run. Don't get me wrong. I have a ticker that I put on the watch list that it's supposed to tell me stop what I'm doing and long something, but I don't remember the ticker name. I'm gonna try to find it for you. Let's see. I set an alert. I don't know if it's Oklo. Could it be Oklo? It might have been Oklo. Long Oklo. Yep. If you go above 96, long Oklo, but it's definitely not this ticker. There's another ticker. It's at like a breakout level. I don't really normally breakout trade, but it's at a breakout level. Yeah, meta some shit. It might be a Vigo. Is it a Vigo? Nah, it's definitely not a Vigo. A stock at a breakout level. I don't know where it is. Fucking uranium. Told you guys back in November, buy uranium, buy uranium. People are up 100% on leaps. Think about that. 100% on fucking leaps. A year out. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's HD. It's HD. HD the ticker. HD. Watch HD. Keep HD on watch. I don't break out trade. However, if HD can break 80 tomorrow, just know this shit's gonna blast off. Like blast off. Like you're going up to like 85 within the first 5 minutes of market open. If we don't gap up there already. Low key. But yeah. If HD can break above that 80 level, 380. Blast off to the moon. Ah, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Let's see. Yep. Nothing for us to do. Data says we're going to pump. What does the data say? Can you show me where data says we're going to pump? Because you can't make outlandish remarks with no proof behind it. What data as well are we talking about?
Goes to show that's how options even the strangle, like both sides are negative right now, but
You're getting cooked.
both sides. That's it.
Yep.
There has to be displace. Obviously, one direction you go.
Or 350 algo displaces both directions, and then both sides are cooked.
If you time it right, you can sell one side and collect on the other. But
I would almost put in like a bracket order at that point. Bracket order for when calls going to green and when puts going to green.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a long 4-minute wait.
Today's one of those days.
Let's get some music going. Let's get some music. Where the hell is my oh? Yes, connect to the TV. Hopefully this shouldn't flag YouTube. Keep it quiet enough.
It doesn't. If there's quiet enough.
Yeah. Well, I have a shit ton of lives that are all flagged. All right, 2 minutes left. I'm still in those puts. Unless I got stopped out. Let me see. Yep. Yep. No, I'm not stopped out. Yep. What they making a life? Dump time. Making nothing but lower highs and lower lows. Well, I haven't really made a lower low yet, but we're making nothing but lower highs, and that's all that matters. You'll learn that in the my trading course. Talk about that. You don't necessarily need to make lower lows for bearish price action, but you do have to make lower highs. and that's what we're getting. That's why I'm more inclined to this. Add the puts, but hey, no need to add. All I want is one little pop. Actually, I'm gonna put in the big profit here at 10. If it pops down to 10, it will take me out. Or if it pops up to 4, it'll also take me out. Is it the algo? No, not yet. How many more seconds? 10 seconds? Cool. I'll go dump us. As long as if we close below 77.5, we dump right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Keep going down. No, wrong direction. Buddy. No. Fuck. We're good, but fuck. Better get stopped out. Not stopped out yet, but if we push above the top, I'm stopped out. Yo, NDX puts right now? NDX puts? Stop. NDX puts? I think we dump. Holy shit, those spreads are so ass on NDX. But you gotta realize, you get a play like this at the end of the day, right, on NDX. You just took contracts for $5 or like 500, probably to like 5K. At least 2K. Yeah, I'm stopped out. GG's. That was a good trade, though. That was an amazing trade. All right, so yeah, every single day today we've made, or this week we've made money on SPX. Every single day. Every single day. SPX Power Hour, we have not lost a single trade. Let that sink in. We have not lost a trade on SPX Power Hour.
Pretty uneventful move so far.
Yeah, I still think it's pushing lower. We got 355. I'll go next. I low key like this. Buy some puts right now. Low key. Let me see what NQ's doing. Because I'm high key looking.
Yes, short. I'm gonna stop at 82.
NDX is a 150 point spread. 150 point spread for NDX right now. Fuck. And those puts are already up. Nah, that spread is crazy on NDX. I can't do it. I'll do SPX.
Strangled, cooked at the moment.
Still?
Yeah, still.
That's true.
Right where it was.
So what option strategy should you do if you know price isn't gonna move?
Don't trade it.
We just do a spread.
Yeah, you're supposed to do some spread. I don't know which spread though.
I don't get too fancy. Strangles are about as crazy as I get. This is exactly what I didn't want. And what I was saying earlier.
Yeah. I think you took this to counteract this?
No, I just didn't know which way we were going to displace towards the end of the day, but I was saying earlier when we were talking that I don't think we're going to see a move in the close. It already kind of happened.
The option contract say there's a 42% chance of these going into money right now. There's 69.40 puts.
We'll just fade around this price and close.
And just fuck both sides over.
So far, that's what it's doing.
350 algo coming out here in a second. 355 algo pushes down. 355 algo. I'm kind of willing to risk about $100 on those if I can get in at 2.0. Fuck. It's dumping already. Fuck. Pull back a little bit for me. Fuck. I'm willing to risk about 200.
Probably get re-entry. It's not going anywhere.
Well, there's the re-entry. That's a little too hard of a re-entry for me. A little too aggressive. Gotta go back the other direction for me, pal. What is it, 15 seconds left, I'm guessing? Yeah, 15 seconds left. 1 minute looks like we could push up. Not gonna cap. 1 minute does. 15 seconds says otherwise. We'll see.
Back down. We're doing.
Retest to push higher. Yeah, I ain't touching this.
They're trying to close between 40 and 45.
I think retest to push higher, low key. I think we push higher now. $45s? Could I buy the 45 calls for 80 something cents? Fuck, I'll spend $1. I'll spend $1. I said $1, not fucking 1 point. Said I'll spend $1. Come on, pull back. I'll spend $1 on this. Fuck, it didn't fill me. Spend $1. Let me see, Is it still worth it? It's not looking too worth it right now. It's not looking worth it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be in between the 40 and the 45.
Yeah, this kind of looks like a high key gamble. But I definitely could see this.
Gamble right here.
Yeah, it's too much of a gamble. There's no like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5-minute candles. In a 10-point range.
Alright, cool. It didn't fill me. I'm gonna cancel these orders. I was looking at these 69.45 calls. It's just too much of a gamble. It could literally do anything. It could shoot up, could shoot down. We could shoot up real quick, then shoot back down. Anything's possible.
Yeah, trying to get this ES short. It's dancing around the entry. 79. There we go. Here's my chance.
I don't think we dump. It's holding its 3-minute order block.
Take risk off. Triangle got cooked.
Fuck it. I jumped in calls.
3 minutes left.
It's working. But these shits need to go into money. Otherwise I'm cooked.
69.40s. That's right.
Yeah.
A little bit in the money.
Yeah, they need to shoot the fuck up right here, right now. We'll see. Risking strictly profits on here, so. What do you want to do? Do you want to close me out fucking worthless? Do you want to blast off for the last minute for me?
Yep. Closing my strangle for a loss. It's rough.
This shit might do that dirty shit where it moves the last fucking 15 seconds. And at that point, everybody's cooked.
Right at close or right after close.
Yep.
40, man.
Cook everybody.
Yep. 40. Last minute.
No, blast off. Fuck. Alright, let me see. Can I try this again? 69.40 calls? Let's try this again. I feel like I could look and try this again. Fuck. No, wait for me. Fuck. Fuck. It's about to blast off without me. I'm not paying 2.4. Fuck no. I'll pay about 1.7 for these. Yeah. I gotta change my bracket order.
There, you're gonna get $4.
I ain't paying that. Oh shit. I'll pay this then.
Now it's $2.
Oh, it's a big gamble. It's a big gamble. Fuck, it's gonna blast now. Fuck. Damn. Try to get for that 1.7. But even then, it's still. You have to be so fucking fast. Yeah, it's gone. There we go. It's gone. Fuck! Fuck!
Literally.
Not
Right.
literally.
Close.
Exactly.
What did I say?
I knew that shit was gonna blast off. I was just too fucking early. GG's. GG's. Nonetheless, it was a great day. Great day. We caught some banger trades on the puts. Try to go long here. Didn't work out in my favor. Nonetheless, great day. Try to get filled again. That would have been a 300% gain. Didn't want to fill me, but it's all good. We go again tomorrow. We have been flawless every single day on SPX. So if you like the SPX streams, make sure to tune in. Check out ZeusTrades.com if you want more access to trades like this. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Take care, everybody.
Stuff, man. Got out of this trade last minute. Oh my god.
Still in Tesla. Yeah, we're still in Tesla. Tesla literally moved $2 down against us since we got in. $2 should not scare you whatsoever. Can you take a look at PanW? PanW, let's see. PanW. What the fuck, man? I was right, but you know, options doesn't matter about being right because you got to be right fucking exactly when the move happens, especially at the end of the day. You can get the direction all you want, but you can still get cooked. PanW right now we're in a gap fill, so if the gap fill holds, you can see some upside. More likely to fill this gap fill tomorrow, and then you also have a gap fill lower. Yeah, we're kind of just range bound still as well. We're in this big old range on PanW, so keep that in mind. Personally, I wouldn't really touch this, but we are making lower highs and lower lows, and the higher time frames are bearish. So if you are going to be trading this, probably tailored towards the downside right now. I would not go long until you see a close above 196. Close above 196.